Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, the setting for login and passwords won't be saved error in Firefox. Click Open menu, Options. Click Privacy and Security. Select, Use custom settings for history. Uncheck, always use private browsing mode. Click Restart Firefox now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.